Like being stranded in another country is no joke. And this is so true because like sometimes these gate agents, they're not aware of a lot of things. Because I remember it kind of bring me back to when I was in South Korea and I wanted to go to Singapore. Listen, Singapore is not a cheap country. Singapore flights are not cheap. Singapore hotels are not cheap. And when I was at the gate ready to get on my flight, the agent was like, "Yeah, you're Jamaican, you need a visa." I'm like, "No, I do not need a visa." And at this point, I will hold up the entire plane. Like the plane is not taking off without me. And she's like, "No, you need a visa." And I'm like, "No, well, get your supervisor." Because if you check Google, just do a quick Google search, you'll realize that Jamaicans do not need a visa to get into Singapore. And she said, "No, you need a visa." I'm saying, "Yeah, I'm going to be one of those people. Call a supervisor." Like, call a supervisor. Because what do you mean I need a visa to get into Singapore? I am Jamaican. Do a Google search. You will see it. Just do a Google search. Listen, I was not I was not about to let that plane take off without me being on that plane. Like what? Sometimes they're so loud and they're wrong. But this agent in Colombia was sweet. He was very sweet. He was trying his best to see what can happen, and then he actually went and got a supervisor to get me through because excuse me. Yeah. But the important thing for Costa Rica, once you have an active, like you're using your American visa quite often, you're good. If you have a multiple entry US visa, multiple entry Canadian visa, you're great as a Jamaican citizen, as a person flying on a Jamaican passport. And if you happen to have a Japanese visa as well, you are fabulous. Japanese visa gets you in everywhere. Yeah.